All right. All right. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through our private trading community, the Beast Mode Trading Discord. We're going to go through every single channel so you'll have a better understanding of what each channel is and where to look. So there is a lot of things in here, but it properly utilized, it gives you a very, very good advantage. So let's go off. So first, you're going to get an invite to our server, and you're going to come into the live chat. And you're going to get a welcome. You're going to get a welcome message from the bots, and then you're going to get the homework assignment. So that's kind of self-explanatory. The free chat is basically the people, anyone can come to my server on a free trial, but until they upgrade, I'll walk you through what they get after they decide to upgrade. So the free chat is where anyone can hang out, whether you're paid or not, ask questions. Anyone that's new, this is where they get an invite to. So that's the live chat. Going up, one of the premium channels is called the Lounge. You're going to have pictures. Someone put clams in there. Someone put you scroll up, they're shooting guns. Someone's bow fishing. So it's basically like you could put a picture in of something random. There's someone, he travels the United States. There's his RV. So it's like the collage is basically for all of us just to put things what we're doing on the weekends. If that's something that you are comfortable putting in there. So not trading related, but just a way to have some fun from a psychological standpoint.
Okay.
And you're going to come up here to where it says Beast Mode Trading Tools. It is a self-inquiry robot that is installed in there. So basically, this is part of the premium as well. So this is how this works right here. If you go down here to the bottom, the Beast Mode Scanning, and you scroll up, you're going to have every single tool that you could type in. You could look for options flow, and it's self-explanatory as far as like what you do is you copy this right here, and then you copy, paste in the Beast Mode block trades, and then you're going to erase this symbol, and we'll type in Apple right now. So let's see what Apple says. So then see what comes up. Apple's biggest flow. They're all calls. The double A's are very strong. It shows you the strike, the expiration, and how much money is being spent. Someone just put in $5.5 million for a call trade. So let me ask you this: if you know someone risking $5.5 million, I'm willing to risk a couple $100. Are you?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So that's what the smart money's doing in that situation. So you come back down here to the scanning. That's just one of the features. You can come down here to the dark pool levels and do the same thing. So you got the dark pool levels. You copy this code, and then over here, all this tells you exactly what that code's going to do. The TR flow heat map symbol. You copy this right here, and you can play with this at your own time. I'm just giving you a little preview. Creates a heat map for top strikes and expirations with premium statistics. So since we're picking on Apple, we're going to put in AAPL, and now look what will come up. You're going to get a different graph. Look here. This tells you the strikes: 140, 145, 149, 50, 155. Expiration: 9/17, 9/24, 10/15, 10/22. So if you were predicting, it looks like a lot of people are buying the 145 puts on Apple. So 9/24 to 10/15, potentially where the money's at. You know, there's a lot of people that is potentially buying puts right there. So that could cause either some sideways action or some bearish move on Apple. So I use this as I'm looking for Apple to put a low in to take a longer day trade, to take a swing position while it's down, knowing that someone has $34 million for October 22nd. That's a lot of money. So knowing this stats right here, would you rather wait to see if it comes closer to 145, then buy some calls, and then hold those calls going forward to like 150 or 155? We don't know if that's what's going to happen because news could come out tomorrow and drop the market. But from a probability standpoint, if someone's risking $34 million, I'm willing to risk the same.
Yeah.
So you can come down here and, like I said, the stock research commands, you got crypto commands, you got price commands. So all this is part of the premium membership. So you can play with this at your own leisure, but just think every single one of these like dashes is a custom command. So that's basically what all these channels are. You could type whatever one you want to, and you'll get like here has the swing AI, the options AI, intraday AI, A combined AI, that's super bullish. I see a red one, so it's red bearish, but the swings are bullish. So it's once again, it gives you confirmation on a bias to take a position. But you always go back to the charts. You just don't trade off this solely. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
We're all expert traders. All right, coming up here now, the Beast Mode algo. I got the Beast Mode Trading Trends. What this does is it's a bot that I have set up where it shows you the bullish trend and bearish trend on SPY. So it'll say bearish trend signal, SPY, 15-minute time frames. That means on a 15-minute chart, there's a bearish trend. So from 8:26 until 8:27, we were bearish, and then 8:27 comes. Now we're bullish again at this time. So we've been bullish ever since. So you could be buying the dip on SPY, but once again, we know that we don't buy the tops and sell at the bottoms. We try to buy at the bottoms and sell closer to the tops. So it gives you a bias for your day trading, if that makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, that does.
All right. Beast Mode Bullseye. It's a scanner. I'll mark all these. Go right down here to the bottom. This is a scanner. The red means it's puts. The blues means it's calls. Pretty self-explanatory. The Beast Mode Bullseye is a day trade idea expected to pan out in 1 to 2 days. It's a custom algorithm. It tells you the symbol, Amazon, the strike, 34.10 puts, the expiration. The confidence says 52.4. I wouldn't take this trade. It says a put. You can do calls or puts, and they're buying the put outright. They're buying $1.8 million. So these reds are puts. These blues are calls. I like something like this. AARC, the strike's 19. The AI confidence is over 70%. I'll take this trade. If someone's risking $462,000 and it looks good on my chart, I'll take a stab at this as well with a small amount of my account. Make sense?
All right. Yes.
Then we go down here to the scalps. Scalps are the same exact thing as the bullseyes. The reds are puts. The blues are calls. The only difference is this gives you the symbol. This gives you the entry price. This tells you to go long. It creates a target for you and a stop loss, and showing your potential profit is 58 cents on the share side. So you can use this tool as a call option and use this as a put option, and you see how that could help benefit knowing, because it gives you a plan. If it hits the stop loss, you sell out. You know what I'm saying? So you can mark your charts up based off this stuff. It's an algorithmic robot again. Beast Mode Sweeps. It is an option sweep. Anytime that you have the reds, it's a large put sweep. Anytime you got the blue, it's a large call sweep. And anytime that you have the golden, this is a golden sweep. But these are pretty good because this tells you what large institutions are doing, buying large options versus the calls and the puts. So it gives you the symbol, the strike, the premium, how much you spent. It tells you the time that this went through. So this is another tool you can use, algorithmic data that gives you options. You just don't follow these solely by itself, but look at this right here. Someone put $300,000 in Apple 160, 2022 expiration. They're giving it 9 months. Where do you think Apple's going to go if someone's doing that? If it looks good on the charts, I think there's a high probability to go up there. That's the sweeps. Now the repeater sweeps are the same exact thing as the channel above. However, it's multiple orders, right? So what's that mean? When the sweeps, you're getting large orders of like 1 and 2 orders. The repeater sweeps is where you get 5 orders. You get 8 orders. That means 8 different people are putting these orders in to get these trades. 12 orders, right? So what I look at on the charger. Why did I get on the charger? So sorry about that. So what this tells me is it tells me the symbol, how many orders came in, a call or a put, and then it gives you a little symbol here. You'll see a rocket. The rocket means that it's typically the rocket. What is the rocket? The rocket is I think 5 or 6 orders and more plus what is it? It might be like the same month. So if you scroll up here and look for another symbol, you see the airplane. The airplane means that it's given a lot of time. Look at the expiration, 2022. So the airplanes are like you're traveling. It's like a leap, or you're just buying more time than the average trade. The rocket is something that's good, so it's better than the basic symbols. It's like the next in line. So if we had to rank it 1, 2, and 3, the rockets would be 3. the airplanes would be 2, and then you're going to see a star is number 1. Anytime you get a star, I'll take almost every single star, and I can't right here. Look, Twitter.
Okay.
That means that look how much money someone's putting in this trade. So anytime you have a star, they're trading over $1 million in options flow. So someone bought $5 million of Twitter. They put 5 orders in. It's a call, and they got 1.2 million on the flow side. All right. And you come down here to the news channel. This news channel runs all day long. It gives you the symbol, the link for the news. You can pretty self-explanatory. You can click on the article and it'll take you. You can read that if it interests you. The analyst upgrade channel below that, it gives you the symbol and what they're upgrading it to. So they're going to grade it to outperform. There's different categories you can do that. So this kind of helps if someone gives you an outperform, like they go from a mid-level to an outperform, you're expecting that stock to increase in value over the next 6 to 9 months. So that's beneficial.
Okay.
Crypto channel, it gives you trade ideas on the 1-hour chart, and it gives you breakouts or breakdowns. So it puts an auto-populated support. If it breaks that, or resistance in this case, it breaks that, it's giving you an alert signal. So these signals on crypto go off all day long. So if you like trading crypto, you'll never go bored. The dark pools is all the large institutional orders putting the dark pool orders in on the shares. Anytime that these dark pool prints get put, typically they'll run the share price 5 to 10% on the shares. So knowing that dark pool often influences a stock, this could help you give you trade ideas, and you can mark your charts up. So it kind of gives you the symbols right here, DES or GES, Futu, dark pool signal. It's telling you how many shares, the price it bought, and how much money they spent. $24 million right here. That's a big deal. $6 million. That's a big deal. So you want to pay attention to that. Last thing on this algorithmic scanner is the insider trading. So this happens after hours, tells you the premium, the total shares, the symbol, and gives you a little footnote to read. Then coming up here to where I feel is most important, the trading section. You got the live screen share. I put a live screen share link in every single morning at 9 a.m., 9:05 a.m. Eastern time. So you can come into the meeting room, and then I start moderating about 9:25 Eastern time. So that's where you get the link. YouTube videos, self-explanatory. These are all important teaching YouTube videos I have. So anytime you're bored, scroll up here and watch some of these videos, because they go up for days. That's pretty self-explanatory. Long-term trades. Any shares that I trade, I notify you on every single share trade that I'm taking. So if you like to trade shares and invest, this is the channel that you want to pay attention to, as well as we accumulate crypto. So we got four cryptos we accumulate. We're holding for the long haul. Option swings. You got myself and R2K. We put our alerts in the option swings. Self-explanatory as far as any option swing trade we take, we post in this channel. The green one is a position that's being bought. The red one is sell out, take some profits. The blue ones are updates. So what an alert will look like is right here. Buy to open, BTO run is the symbol. October 15th is the expiration, 45 call, and the price paid is right there. Then you come down here, you can cut and run here. Will average down, received another upgrade last week. He averaged in. Average run is 225. Run is back at 245. If you average down with me, over 9%. Back at 250. Winner on average down, break even otherwise. Now your run's at 16%. And he keeps updating you as he's scaling out of his trades. So if you want to take some of his trades, he wins about 95% of his trades, and I win about 90% of mine. So we're both solid. We give you guys plenty of trade ideas. Small account swings is typically $100 or less on the option swing side. So if you have a $1,000 account or $2,000 account, this would be an account that you should be paying attention to. Day trades off the scanner every morning. We share with you some trading ideas. You can click on it, and it gives you the 6 symbols that we're paying attention to, or my other moderators paying attention to. So he'll watch us on the day trading side. He typically trades breakouts and breakdowns on the 5-minute chart. Then you got the selling options. If you like to sell options, we have a selling options guy, another moderator, Mark. He comes in and he shares every option trade that he takes. The penny plays is every OTC penny trade that is taken that we personally take. Then the live chat is a place where You come in here, we put our hit list in each morning, and if you have any questions, this is where you can talk to our community. So you get people that will come in and they'll talk. And if you see someone, it's just you can talk to them. They have a question, you know the answer, you can answer it. So you got 24/7 access on that. That's on the trading tab. Then you come up here to the top. You got the trading platforms that I use right here, a list of everything. So if you need help on anything, these are what I personally use. If you are not well to trade with me, you got to be a report or a mastermind. So here's my 2 links right here. If you have anybody that ever wants to join the Beast Mode Mastermind or get the Beast Report, which is the Oracle report, and it's the same thing as Mastermind. It's just my side. You let me know, and you can always come here and get these links and then give them to anybody that's coming in. The Beast Mode giveaways, I do giveaways. I do things where it's like you got to guess the close on SPY, bring 2 people in, or share a Discord on your social media. I give you a $100 dining certificate that you can take and go out to eat with. Testimonies, I got people sharing all their things right here. You're more than welcome to put stuff in there. You can look at some of the things, what other people are saying. The Beast Mode games, these are all tickets from all random times. You can go back and look at trading tickets. The subscriptions, for you to trade with me, you got to be the Beast Report or Mastermind. The rules, you got basic rules here. Disclaimer, you got to read the disclaimer here. I'm not guaranteed you anything. I'm not licensed to tell you what to do, but I can share with you what I'm doing and how I use the tools that I have. And about is a little bio about myself, just a little one, and that's how you get started. So that is the rundown of the Beast Mode Trading Discord server, and that's how we do it. So if you come over here to the paid members, these are all premium members. You come to the non-paid, these are all the freebie people. And if you got the free trials, we got all these people in free trials right now. So that is the complete rundown of our Discord server. Do you have any questions, or does that help you?
No, that helps me. I just need your, if I can have the recording, then I can go over it slowly and then start jotting some notes down.
Absolutely. All right. Well, I'm going to cut the recording right now.
Okay.
So then we can finish up.
Okay.
All right. Hey, you guys have a blessed day. Beast Mode out.